Okay, so for this activity, another selection tool that we'll be looking at is the magnetic lasso tool. So it's the third one. If you click on to lasso tool, if you right click onto it, it's this third one here. So what we want to do is we want to get this skateboarder on top of the rail in this image here. So everyone should have downloaded these two images from Teams. Open it up on Photoshop, and the aim is to get the skateboarder onto these rails. So if we go onto our magnetic tool, I'm just going to zoom up so you can see. I'm going to select around the skateboarder. So I'm going to click, and then you can see that the magnetic tool sort of goes around the skateboarder. If let's say you make a mistake and you want to delete some of these points here, you can just press backspace and that does that for you. So we're just gonna go around. You can also click if you find that the magnetic tool doesn't pick up the shape. So for this wheel here, I'm just going to click around this circle shape, come around here. Right at the end, when you're making selections, you should always make sure that the first and end point of your selection meet. So right at this point here, I'm going to double click, and then you should have moving ants selecting this whole section here. Now the only thing that's missing is this gap here, so where his legs are. So what's important here is that you click on this part at the top of the toolbar where it says subtract from selection. So we're going to be cutting out from the selection that we already have here. So make sure that you've selected this, and then we're just going to work our way around this inside part. So I'm going to start here. So again guys, my beginning part of the selection tool and my end, I'm going to just click, and now I have a selected part inside this leg area here. So now that everything is selected, what you want to do is you want to go to edit, copy, and then you're going to go to your rail file that you've already opened up on Photoshop, edit, paste, and we will have her maybe around this area here. So that's what we want to see. You could even have it like this.